Now at noon, the State Department of Public Health is holding several meetings this week over Baystate Health's proposed closure of their intensive care units in Palmer and Westfield. Good Wednesday afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Western Mass News at noon. I'm Chris Pisano. Western Mass News reporter Caroline Powers. She joins us now live from outside Noble Hospital in Westfield with more. Caroline.
Chris, there are still a lot of questions and concerns about these proposed closures. And anytime a hospital wants to make changes or close units like this, the Department of Public Health has to hold public hearings before they decide if those services are essential or non-essential. Now, what Baystate Health wants to do is close their 6 ICU beds at both Baystate Noble here in Westfield and at Baystate Wing in Palmer. They want to change those 6 beds at each hospital to be medical surgical beds by August 30th, which means anybody looking for intensive care at either one of those hospitals would have to travel to Springfield. Now, the Department of Public Health held their first public hearing in Palmer yesterday afternoon. Today, they have one at 4 o'clock in Westfield at the middle school. And these proposed changes to the ICU beds come in the middle of Baystate Health also looking to close mental health beds at 3 community hospitals. Tonight at 7 in Greenfield, the City Council will be voting on a resolution for that inpatient mental health beds. Coming up on Western Mass News at 5, we will have a closer look at these public hearings, more on the concerns that community members and nurses have on the changes. Live in Westfield, I'm Caroline Powers for Western Mass News.